Look at little Kiki go. He's found the banana treasure, and he's off to share it with another beautiful day on the farm. Deep in the heart of the banana grove, a very special little monkey was on a very important mission. Look at this little guy driving his tractor full of bananas.
Deep in the heart of the jungle, where the sun kisses the banana trees good morning, lived a little monkey named Miko.
Early each morning, before the dew has dried, little Miko begins his rounds on the banana farm.